Hello. Okay, now next one, example. Okay, this example gonna be adding and subtracting fractions. Okay, now we see how many terms we have now. 3, right? 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. We know by the plus minus sign here. Plus here and minus here. So break it down, become 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now first we have to find the common factors. Do we have it? The top one numerator is already simple term. And this term also. Now we just factor on the bottom, see what we can do. Okay, now then this one gonna be equal to, okay, we write down 3x plus 2. And then we factor the bottom one here. Can we factor or not? We can use 2x, right? And 4x. And then 3, I can have try here. So 3, 4, 12x, 12x and 2. So this one should be minus, correct? And this one plus. Because we need middle term negative 10x. Okay, so now go to the next one. Then plus means this one now do this one. So it's going to be x plus 4 divided by the whole thing here. Factor it again. What we have? Maybe try 2x first, 3x here. Now we need the middle term negative 11. So this one we can try 3 here, 1 here, 9, 6, 11, yes. So should be negative. So negative 3, negative 1 become plus 3, 9 minus 9 to 11, yes. Okay. Now next one minus this term now. So this one already single term, so do nothing. So become 4x plus 1. Now do the next one. Have to find LCM. See, get all the denominator here, the bottom here, every term to find LCM. Okay, now we have become, write down the whole thing here, okay? 2x minus 3 times 4x plus 1, comma, get this denominator, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 1, comma, get this term denominator, 4x plus 1. Now make a short division. Do the short division, right? Find LCM. So you see which one have the like term. 2x, right? This is 2x. 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. So I can divide this one first. So 2x minus 3. Okay, so this one gonna be 2x minus 3. So this term divided by this, so this one cut, so we left only here. So become 4x plus 1. And then 2x, this the whole thing here divided by 2x minus 3. This one same cut, remove it, right? So we left only this one, 3x minus 1. Comma. This one different, which can do nothing, just bring it down, whole thing. Then divide it by. Next, this one same. 4x plus 1 same, right? Right term. So write down, divided by the number. So 4x plus 1. So this one, right? Divided by this one same, so you left 1. This one different, so do nothing, bring it down. And this one same, right? Divide this divided by this, so become 1. So then that's our simple term already. No more can, okay, if you can go one more is later on. So this only there, right? Only one term there, so 3x minus 1 divided. So 1 divided by cannot do anything, be it down first. And this same, right? Divide this one, so become 1. And then being 1 down, do nothing. So now that's all. So LCM equal to this time, this time, this time, 1 time, 1 time, 1. So LCM. Sometimes we call LCD, okay? LCD, LCM. List least common multiplication or least common denominator. So we have this bracket time 1. So 2x minus 3 times 4x here, okay? 4x plus 1 times this one 3x minus 1. Okay, then this is LCM. Then we can make this one AB denominator here become equal to LCM. Everyone get it? How to get this one? Okay, maybe I give you some example like this. Refer to what you learned before in grade 7, grade 8, right? For example, I give you say maybe 2/3, want you simplify, plus maybe 1/6, and what else? Maybe minus 1/2. Then how you simplify, how you get this answer? So you have to find LCM, correct? That means you get denominator 3, 6, 2 to do the short division. 3, 6, 2. So you write down 3, 6, 2, right? So divided by 3, right? 3 divide 3, you become 1. 6 divide 3 become 2. 2 divide 3 cannot do anything, being 2 down. So then next divided by 2, 1 being it down, do nothing. 2 divide 2 become 1. 2 divide 2 become 1. Then that's all. So in this case, LCM is 3 times 2 times 1 times 1, so equal to 6. When you have this 6, you have to go back to here, everyone, right? You learn already. So how? Gonna be 2/3, right? So 3 have to make it 6 equal to LCM. So you have to times 2 top and the bottom. Plus 1/6 already there, do nothing. So 1/2 times 3, right? Because make it 6 like this. So then this one become 4/6 plus 1/6 minus 3/6. Right, and then you simplify, you can write it down. The next one gonna be 4 plus 1 minus 3/6, right? So become 5, 5 take 2, become 2/6, become 1/3. Do this way. So the same way, right? Then because before you learn just only single number denominator, but now it's the algebra, the concern about the variable and become the expression form, right? So that's the way how to get the LCM in this pattern. Now come back to this one. Come back to this question. How we do the next one. Okay. Now we have to do is what? Simplify, right? Let's see if I use another color, green one. No, purple. Yes. So then you see, make this one to be LCM. Our LCM is what? The one we got here, right? So you see the denominator here. 2x minus 3, 4x plus 1. We missing what? We have this, then we missing this. So you times this one top and the bottom for this term. So let's see, I write down here. So this one gonna be 3x plus 2, right? And then the bottom, the same thing, 2x minus 3 and 4x plus 1 times 3x minus 1. You can write it this way, okay? You can, this one, make it neat. And then you times top the bottom by 3x minus 1. You can write like this, right? And then next plus, this is a plus, right? Plus. So you write x plus 4 first. And then write one line down here. So copy it down, right? Become 2x minus 3, 3x minus 1. Okay, now this LCM, what missing? We're missing this one, right? Okay, now you times top and the bottom with 4x plus 1, top and the bottom. Okay. Now what we have next, this one minus, then this one go this term. This one have 4x plus 1 already, so we need this one and this one. This one and this one. So you times top and the bottom. So that means you have 1 is 1, so no meaning, right? So just I like this way. 1. And the bottom here, like this way, same thing, okay? 4x plus 1. And then you times top and the bottom with 2x minus 3 times 3x minus 1 over same thing. Everyone get it or not? So maybe I separate this one, right? Separate this one down. Oh, so we block it out. Okay. So like down here. Everyone get it? Okay. So now we do next one, simplify it. So the whole thing, you see the denominator, every term is same already, right? Every term same. So we just can rewrite it down. Maybe I write the one line longer here. Okay. So the bottom become LCM, right? 2x minus 3, 4x plus 1, and 3x minus 1. And then the top here become this times this. But when this one carefully, okay, when you write this one must have bracket. 3x plus 2, bracket, don't forget, times this one, 3x minus 1. Plus, again, same thing, must write in bracket, x plus 4 times this bracket, 4x plus 1. Okay, and then this one, the top one times these two brackets, so no meaning, so you write minus. So become 2x, this one, okay, minus 3 times 3x minus 1. Okay, so you see this stage is the same right here, right? Because the bottom become, because you make this one become the denominator like a 6, 6, 6 already, like a this line, right? And next, this line is this one, correct? It's this one. Everyone get this one, it means this one you have 6 LCM already, and this is the same LCM. Now after this one, you simplify, right? You can expand it. Let's see, can I draw one line up? Too close or not? It's okay, I think. Okay, now this one time this one, right? Maybe I use another color, I think. This one time this one, right? Become 9x squared. And this time this become minus 3x. This time this become plus 6x. And this time this become minus 2. Okay, plus mean this one, okay, plus. Now this one expanded time become 4x squared. And this one time it become plus x. And this one time become plus 16x. And this one time this become 4. Now minus mean this one minus. But this minus have to careful because you have to change the sign after you expand this one, right? So I suggest you can do this way first. Make sure if you know you can jump this step up to you, but we do this one first, and then you can recall, you can review or do if you don't want to do this step. So we simplify inside first, expand this one. So this one time this becomes 6x squared, and this one time this become minus 2x. And this time this become minus 9x. And this one time this become plus 3, right? Close the bracket. And the bottom denominator, same thing, just rewrite it. Okay. So now, after this, just simplify, right? Simplify, what gonna have? You can simplify this one first. 9x squared, 4x squared become 13, right? 13x squared. 3x, 6x, we left 3x plus become 4. 4, 16 become plus 20x. 2, negative 2, the constant here, and the 4 become plus 2, right? Okay. Now we start to do this one now. Actually, this one you can simplify it right away here in this bracket, right? If you want. So we left what? 6x squared, right? 6x squared. And this one become minus 11x plus 3. Right? This in the bracket, correct? In the bracket. And then now we can open the bracket now. Minus what? This one, right? So become minus 6x squared. This one minus become plus 11x. And this one plus become minus 3. And then that's all. Then like over the bottom, same thing. Nothing changed. Okay, simplify now. 13, take it out, 6, we left what? 7, right? So 7x squared. 20 and 11 become 31, side plus 31x. And then this one plus 2 minus 3 become negative 1. Okay, so now over the bottom same, just lie down. Make it longer. So what we can do next? Can factor or not? No. So I think that's all. This is a answer, final answer. This is a final answer. Okay, one. This is a little bit long, but take a look one more time. Then we go next example. Okay.